Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. PM Modi launched which mission to increase renewable energy use in India? Green Bharat Mission. Which country did Trump claim India would not buy oil from, as assured by PM Modi? Russia. Which major city saw protests after 20,000 job cuts at TCS? Mumbai. Supreme Court upheld Permanent Commission for Women in which field? Defense. Which Prime Minister passed away, being former PM of Kenya? Raila Odinga. India's passport fell how many places in the passport index? Five. Which trains did PM Modi unveil as India's first hydrogen-powered railway? Hydrogen train. Supreme Court permitted sale of which type of firecrackers in Delhi NCR before Diwali? Green. Which study solved decades-old puzzle in photosynthesis with IISc Caltech research? Photosynthesis. Google opened its AI hub in which city? Visakhapatnam. Air India launched a festive offer for families. What special offer was included? Free flights for one child. Madurai mayor resigned over which alleged scam? Property tax scam. Which company built the 12.9 kilometers Kedarnath ropeway, reducing trek time to 36 minutes? Adani. Defence Ministry signed 659 crore rupees deal for night sights for which rifles? SIG 716. Scientists from IISc Caltech solved a puzzle related to which natural process? Photosynthesis. Supreme Court to examine promotion avenues for which group amid stagnation? Entry-level judges. Heavy rains and floods hit which state along with Meghalaya? Assam. Afghanistan and Pakistan agreed to how many hours of ceasefire at Chamanspin-Boldak border? 48. Which index showed India's overseas direct investment fell to $1 billion in August? ODI Index. Which Indian organization held talks with its employees' union after layoffs? TCS. Which World Day was observed on 16th October 2025? World Food Day. Which team confused scorers with Sarafraz and Mushir Khan's siblings in cricket? Mumbai. Adani Group constructed a ropeway to which religious site? Kedarnath. Which music maestro partnered with Google Cloud for AI MetaHuman band, Secret Mountain? A.R. Rahman. Who resigned as mayor of Madurai after allegations surfaced? R. Priya. Which country's PM, Dr. Harini Amrasuriya, visited India? Sri Lanka. Supreme Court permitted sale of NIRI certified crackers in which region? Delhi NCR. Which ministry launched Fare Se Fursat scheme to curb fluctuating airfares? Civil Aviation. Who became top scorer in Rajasthan Administrative Service 2023? Farmer's son. India's unemployment rate dropped to what level? .10%. IMF raised India's growth forecast to what percent for 2025 to 26? .60%. Which group's clash led to 25 transgenders being hospitalized in Madhya Pradesh? Hostelers. BCCI scorers confused siblings in which Ranji Trophy match? Mumbai vs J&K. Which city had a man arrested in a murder bid after 48 years? Mumbai. Which government released 2.5 crore rupees for the face authentication challenge? Jal Shakti. Supreme Court permitted limited usage hours for which firecrackers? NIRI certified green. Which nation saw a new president, Patrick Herminy, defeating the incumbent? Seychelles. Peru's Congress leader sworn in as new president after whom's impeachment? Dina Boluart. Which international group is India chairing? BRICS. BRICS chairship focuses on moving from which to implementation? Ideas. Which local government dashboard was launched to enhance legal case management? LINGS. Ministry of Labour and Employment signed MoU with which gig economy company? Zomato. Who released a book on shaping a future-ready force? Defense Minister. NHAI announced recycling all what for road construction by 2027? Municipal waste. Which startup will launch world's first multi-sensor satellite mission, Drishti, in 2026? Galaxy Eye. Finance Ministry inaugurates Dharti Bionist in which IIT? IIT Dharwad. Memorandum signed for Ambedkar chairs in how many universities? Three. UNF Council approved what fund's operationalization in October 2025? RDI Fund. Which exam dashboard was launched to strengthen fairness in public exams? Face Authentication Challenge. Which Indian city got an eco-friendly AI data center through Google AI Hub? Vishakhapatnam. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.